हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज हम करेंगे ग्रामर स्कूल और गायत्री खन्ना की जो बुक है 7th क्लास की, उसका 18th चैप्टर एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस। पेज नंबर है 131। तो हम अभी करेंगे फर्स्ट ए पार्ट है चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस फ्रॉम एक्टिव वॉइस टू पैसिव वॉइस इफ द वर्ब इज इन ट्रांजिटिव। राइट द सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड। द डिशेस हैव बीन वॉश्ड एंड क्लीन्ड बाय कमल. Was the criminal apprehended by the police? Beautiful earthen pots were made by the craftsman. The sentence cannot be changed, so wept here is intransitive verb. यहाँ पे हमको ऐसे ही लिख देना कि ये चेंज नहीं हो सकता. नेक्स्ट है many promises were made by the politicians before the election. Is the dog being taken to the veterinarian by Adil? B part. Complete this newspaper report from year 1911 using passive verb forms. The Mona Lisa stolen. Louvre Museum has disappeared. The discovery was made. Picture gallery was closed and portrait that was painted. The next is when the picture was found missing. A frantic search was made. Next is it appears that picture was stolen, but it supposed that it had been taken to the photographed. The Louvre is closed on Mondays. The picture may have been removed by practical joker. And then the police have been informed. 134 page here. Let's move on to the next C part. Complete the news stories accompanying these headlines by filling in the blanks. System was noticed in the participants who were administered a double dosage of the coronavirus vaccine. And then next is 3 Fiji balance iguanas were born. And then next is third Laureus Sporting Moment of Year award at the 2020 was conferred on the Indian cricket match hero Sachin Tendulkar. The award was based on the public fan vote. And the next is NASA astronauts capture striking ring of fire solar eclipse shadow that hid most of the sun was witnessed by few lucky locations in the world. And there's a event was seen by the astronauts. This was reported by Public Health England. And the sixth one is something unique was supported in the sky. And then single horizontal arc was seen above Highway 67 by many townspeople. D part. Here is a procedure for making cold coffee. Complete the passage after studying the flow chart on the next page. Page number is 135. Now let's move on to the 136 page number. Here's the flow chart. You can see a few ice cubes are put in the jar of blender. Cream are added. Ingredients are blended. This is poured into glasses. Cubes are added. And then ice cream are also placed. The cold coffee is topped with some chocolate syrup, nuts, and the delicious coffee is ready to be served. E part. Fill in the blanks with the passive voice of verbs in bracket, and 100 priceless treasures were removed. The jewels were accessed. Collection of Swedish crown jewels was stolen. The glass showcases were smashed. And then Hatton Garden Safe Deposit Ltd in London was broken into during the Easter holiday. Yeah. An extraordinary robbery of jewels worth over $100 million was carried out. The next is Harry Winston, the luxury jewelry store in Paris was robbed by men disguised as women. The day after Valentine's Day in $2,300 million worth of precious stone was snatched from the Antwerp Diamond Center in Belgium. The gangsters were eventually arrested, though most of the jewels were not recovered. Now here's the safety issues. Here are the some points. And now frame 8 rules addressing safety issues. The rules could be about stranger danger, animal safety, travel safety. Now you will see the answer on screen. Let's just do it.